Just a quick video showing the W126 coupe with the rewired memory seat harnesses, just demonstrating that the memory function is now working. So that's both memory positions working faultlessly on the driver's side. And both on the passenger side as well. And keep in mind that these seats were actually originally left-hand drive imported from the USA. So we've converted them from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. The difference being that the memory modules are not the same, because the driver's seat will always have the additional memory functions for the steering wheel position, and they're not interchangeable. You have to change all the connectors as well. Someone had also butchered all of the power window wiring in this car as well. That's still a work in progress, but the rears have been fixed. The fronts are just temporarily set up at the moment. These connectors have to be soldered and heat shrunk properly, but proof of concept, it is all working, and everything will be working in this interior exactly as it left the factory. We just have to do a few minor touches, get the radio wiring pre-installed, and the interior can go back together. And then the body is ready for restoration, and obviously the engine can be fitted at a later stage too.